In this video, we're going to talk about 12.2, Objective 2, where we solve equations with complex number solutions. Our question is 1 plus 9j a solution to the equation x squared minus 2x plus 80 equals 0? Let me show you two different ways to do this. So let me go ahead and stick in 1 plus 9j in for x. And ask, is that equal to 0? If it doesn't equal 0, if it equals anything else, it's not a solution. So let's square 1 plus 9i with our calculator. And we get negative 80 plus 18. And you're going to replace that with j. This is going to be minus 2 minus 18j plus 80. We already see the problem that there's no way that this can be equal to 0 because it's going to be equal to negative 2. So no, it's not a solution. Now we also could find the solutions using the quadratic formula and see if they match, if this would be one of the solutions. So let's do it that way. And we're going to say x is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So x is equal to 2 plus or minus the square root of 4 minus 320 over 2 is 2 plus or minus root negative 316 over 2. 316 is 2 times 1, 58, which is 2 times 79. 79 is a prime number. This is 2 plus or minus 2 root 79 over 2 is 1 plus or minus root 79 I, right? Because there was a negative on the inside here, and that's not what we had there. So let's go ahead now and look at problem number 2. We found out 2 ways though with number 1 to say that the answer was no. Solve for x. Assume x is a real number. So that's interesting. So x squared plus 7xj plus another 7xj plus 49j squared equals 15 minus 112j. So x squared plus 14xj minus 49 is equal to 15 minus 112j. Let's look at my real part is x squared minus 49 is equal to 15. And let's look at my imaginary part. 14x is equal to negative 112. Let's see if we can find a solution x here that works for both of them. So let me work on this side that's linear. Negative 112 divided by 14 is going to be negative 8. Now I want to see if negative 8 makes this true over here. If so, negative 8 is my solution. So is negative 8 squared minus 49, is that 15? Let's see, 64 minus 49 is 15, so negative 8 is my solution. The reason I didn't solve this quadratic piece first is that it would have given me 2 answers. And I already knew which one of them I was looking for. I didn't want to try and get, oh, is it plus or minus 8? No, because the only answer that would have worked is -8, and I wouldn't have wanted to accidentally stick in an answer of +8 there. So I went with the linear equation first. It only had one answer. That answer has to make both equations true. Stuck that one answer into the quadratic equation to see if it came out to be true. It did. It's a solution. If this one answer over here didn't make this other equation true, there was no solution. Let's see if we've got another problem here, but I think that was it. That's it. So next time we'll come back and talk about 12.2 objective 3. See you for the next video.